Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a tombstone for Halloween drawings. This is going to be very fast. Sorry, not very fast. Very fast, well, quick as I can, but it's going to be for beginners, so I want you to grab a marker or anything and grab some paper and do it with me. You're going to like it. It's really simple for beginners and everyone above, kids, adults, everyone. So let's get started. I love Halloween and I'm very excited to update this channel during this season. So let's get into it. Also, don't forget, we are selling guided sheets. It's going to be about 100 of them on 100 different drawings. It's literally 100 different drawings for $5. So that's 5 cents a sheet. You can go to gumroad.com in the description below, and that's where we host that file. And they're easily printable, and they're only available for the next 10 days, so do it right now, or you won't be able to get them till next year, or maybe never again. Maybe I'm not sure what I'm going to do next year. So thank you. Let's get started. So right now I am going to pull a curved line, a long, like, think of an upside down U but elongated. All right, easy enough. Pull back. Just one single line toward the top. And we're gonna duplicate that curve right here, that curve just on the left side. Easy, super easy, right? So far, we're with me? And we are gonna draw the grass that it is shoved in. And the grass is literally these kind of just straight lines, these slightly curved lines. Think of them as like V shapes, like V's or W's. You know the way you draw a W or a V? But vary it up. There's no right or wrong answer, just vary it up. So far, so good. And now we're going to do the marking on the gravestone, and it's usually rest in peace, like very spooky. We are going to pull an R. You can write that any which way you want. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Doesn't matter the font or anything. I use more of the side of the marker to make it thicker. Put a period here in between to show it's an acronym, but you don't have to. And now we're not actually gonna write all the information below. Instead, we're gonna indicate that information with a wiggly line, several wiggly lines. That indicates there is some writing going on. But that's it. Easy, right? Super easy. If you really want, you can throw a little bit of a, kind of almost like a shadow. It's a bit of a cheat. Just gives it a little bit of depth on the bottom here. Maybe, I don't want to throw it on the top. But that's it. Very simple. If you're with me so far, thank you for watching. That's the whole video. Really easy, right? Really easy. You can use it for anything. Maybe use these at parties. You can just, you know, like you can draw simple things on the whiteboard at work. Many uses. So thank you so much. If you want extended, or if you're on searching, if you're a beginner searching to improve your art in general, I would suggest and hope that you go check out my Patreon page. A Patreon is essentially a you pay like a kind of like a tip. It's like a tip jar, and right there I give you like a breakdown of some of my drawings. I give you drawings that I don't show anyone else anywhere, and so forth, and little videos and tutorials that I don't show anywhere else as well. And I post on that every single day. Some are public, most are gonna start being private, and I even give private, private training to those who kind of request it as well. So check that out, and I would hope you do that because I am very, very lucky to be doing this. I'm very fortunate. And actually supporting that Patreon also allows me to keep doing videos on here. I only do them in the Halloween season here, but I also do, I have 2 other YouTube channels that you'll link below. And, but yeah, I'm very lucky. Thank you, everyone. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween.